Yes. This is perfect, guys. August here from outdoorgingerchannel. Today I'm going to sleep here and I'm going to set the tarp up, and then yeah, we are here in the wilderness. As you can see, there's a bit of snow, so it's definitely not warm. But yeah, clock is 3 p.m. and it's getting dark soon, so I have to start. I will set my tarp up, yeah, and then get a fire going, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing, and it's so beautiful out here. And I already found these branches here. This will take on super easily. I'm going to prepare the bed now with this moss. I'm going to lay it out to even the ground because we are in an uneven terrain. Yeah, like this. I'm now going to set the shelter up. Oh. All right. Alright, this is amazing, man. Look at this. Alright, this is great. I'm going to turn on the fire now because it's getting dark soon. And then I might go in the river to ice bath. We'll see. But yeah, let's get the fire going as fast as possible. Everything is so wet, so I get a bit of help with these. I mean, this wood is a bit humid, so it's great that I have this. Let's be crazy. Let's be young. Alright, man. Oh, Peter. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What's up, y'all? We're chilling here beside the fire. Alright, guys, I'm going to eat some food now. I'm a bit hungry. Pasta bolognese, that seems fine. So this is it. Spaghetti bolognese. Yeah, let's see. Doesn't really look like that, but yeah, it's worth the efforts to be out here. Definitely worth the efforts. Good night, guys. I'm not laying down that well, but we'll see how the night will go. See you tomorrow. Good morning, folks. Clock is 10 a.m. It's been a decent sleep. First part of the night I was freezing a bit, but then when the sun rises up, I slept well, so it's alright. I'm going to pack the stuff, and now I'm going to hike. And I'm going to eat a little bit of snack. But yeah, man, otherwise it's been good. It's been raining a bit this night, as you can hear maybe. So very nice that I had this shelter to cover me from the rain. It's great. Thanks for watching this adventure on my channel, August Adrenaline. If you liked it, you can like and subscribe. It will help me a lot. And yeah, see you next time. It was amazing. And yeah, let's go.